Welcome to Travel Partner. We're so glad you've decided to join us on this adventure, where every moment is a chance to discover something new about the world and about yourself. Here, travel is about connection, culture, and self-discovery. It's about meeting new people, sharing stories, and opening your mind to fresh perspectives. We're a community of explorers and storytellers, and today we're heading to Stockholm, Sweden, a city that's as vibrant as it is welcoming. Stockholm is a city of islands, history, and modern design. But its true magic is its progressive spirit. Here, centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with cutting-edge innovation. We'll see how openness and respect shape everything from the city's landscapes to its people. In Stockholm, diversity isn't just accepted, it's celebrated. This isn't just another European capital, it's a place where you're free to be yourself and feel at home, no matter where you come from or who you are. Our journey goes beyond tourist trails. We'll uncover what makes Stockholm tick, from its hidden alleyways to the everyday lives of its locals. Get ready to wander cobblestone alleys, cruise scenic waterways, and experience the warmth of Swedish hospitality. Every corner has a story, and every encounter is a chance to learn. This is your invitation to see Stockholm as a living example of a modern, inclusive world where everyone is welcome and every voice matters. Pack your curiosity and open heart. Bring your sense of wonder, and let's make memories that will last a lifetime. Let's dive into the heart of this remarkable city. The adventure begins now, and we can't wait to explore it with you. At Stockholm's core is a deep commitment to openness and equality. Here, respect and autonomy are fundamental, shaping relationships and daily life. Sweden's early, comprehensive sexuality education fosters open, healthy conversations from a young age. Public displays of affection, regardless of gender, are normal, creating a safe, inclusive atmosphere. Gender equality is visible everywhere, from generous parental leave to efforts to close the pay gap. Stockholm is a global leader in LGBTQ+ rights, hosting one of the world's most celebrated pride festivals. Rainbow flags fly year-round, signaling true inclusivity. As a traveler, you'll feel genuinely celebrated for who you are. This culture of respect and acceptance is woven into the city's fabric. It's a beautiful thing to experience. Stockholm, often called the Venice of the North, is a breathtaking city built on a tapestry of islands and bridges, where land and water intertwine in a unique urban landscape. Here, water is always nearby. Shimmering canals, tranquil lakes, and the open sea shape daily life and the city's identity. Locals embrace this closeness to nature. Ferries glide between islands, kayaking is a favorite pastime, and swimming in city lakes is a cherished ritual, even in the heart of the city. Urban life and nature blend seamlessly, with green parks and leafy boulevards weaving through the city, mirroring Stockholm's spirit of social harmony and balance. Parks like Djurgården are vibrant gathering places, where families picnic, friends jog, and everyone finds a moment of peace amid the city's gentle energy. The city's layout encourages exploration and discovery. Hop on a ferry to Södermalm for bohemian vibes, creative street art, and sweeping panoramic views of Stockholm's skyline. Each district has its own unique character, from historic cobblestone streets to modern, innovative spaces. Yet all are united by progressive values and a welcoming atmosphere. Navigating Stockholm is effortless thanks to efficient public transport and walkable neighborhoods. Public spaces invite you to relax, linger, and soak in the city's vibrant life. Here, connection with both nature and people is part of everyday living, fostering a sense of community and belonging. The city's openness is reflected not just in its architecture and design, but in the open-minded spirit of its people. Stockholm welcomes you to join its gentle, flowing rhythm, where progressive ideas and stunning scenery create a city unlike any other. Gamla Stan, Stockholm's old town, is a living postcard of medieval streets and golden facades. History is everywhere, but so is modern life. Art galleries, design shops, and cozy cafes thrive among ancient landmarks. The city honors its past while embracing new ideas and values. Tradition and progress enrich each other here, creating a unique cultural tapestry. You'll find LGBTQ+ friendly bars and minimalist design stores alongside royal palaces. Exploring Gamla Stan is a journey through time and innovation. Stockholm shows that heritage and openness can coexist beautifully. The present is lived fully, even within ancient walls. It's a powerful lesson in building the future without forgetting the past. Fika is more than just a coffee break. It's a cherished Swedish ritual that embodies connection, balance, and a sense of community. In Sweden, fika is woven into daily life, offering a moment to pause and truly be present with others. It's about stepping away from the rush, sharing meaningful conversation, and savoring the moment with friends, family, or colleagues. The simple act of enjoying coffee and pastries together becomes a way to nurture relationships and strengthen bonds. Swedes value directness and sincerity, often skipping small talk in favor of honest, meaningful discussions. This approach creates space for deeper understanding and authentic connection. Fika is where open conversations about life, relationships, and even sexuality happen naturally. It's a safe space to share stories, ask questions, and listen without judgment. This openness demystifies relationships and fosters respect, empathy, and genuine understanding among people from all walks of life. As a traveler, joining a fika is the best way to connect with local culture. You'll find Swedes welcoming, eager to share their traditions, and happy to include newcomers in their daily rituals. Don't rush. Find a cozy cafe, order a pastry, and soak in the atmosphere. Let yourself slow down and appreciate the simple pleasures that make Swedish life unique. If you chat with a local, embrace the chance for a genuine exchange. You might discover new perspectives, make a friend, or simply enjoy a moment of real connection. Fika reveals the progressive heart of Stockholm in everyday life, where diversity and openness are celebrated and everyone is welcome at the table. Here, openness isn't just policy. It's a daily practice, woven into the fabric of Swedish society, making every fika a celebration of connection. Stockholm beautifully balances tradition and progress. Midsummer celebrations connect people to ancient roots, while the same community champions modern social policies. Tradition grounds the city, but innovation lets it thrive. Like Allemansrätten, the right to roam, coexisting with green tech ambitions. The city aims to be fossil fuel-free by 2040, blending old values with new solutions. You'll see this balance everywhere, from Nobel banquets in historic halls to cutting-edge art at Fotografiska. Stockholm proves you can honor the past while boldly shaping the future. Old and new, formal and creative, coexist effortlessly. It's a city that's always moving forward, rooted in its heritage. Stockholm's progressive values make it one of the world's most welcoming cities. Whether you're LGBTQ+, a solo traveler, or a family, you'll feel safe and included. Acceptance is visible everywhere, from rainbow flags to inclusive language in public spaces. Pride is celebrated year-round, not just during the festival. The city's organization and reliable transport add to the sense of security. Nearly everyone speaks English, making travel easy and stress-free. Here, you're not just a visitor, you're a welcome guest. Stockholm's hospitality invites you to explore with confidence and curiosity. To understand Stockholm, you need to know lagom, not too much, not too little, just right. Lagom is a philosophy of balance and contentment, shaping work, relationships, and design. It encourages fairness, mutual respect, and steady affection in relationships. Swedish design reflects lagom, clean, functional, and connected to nature. Homes are uncluttered and serene, embodying harmony and simplicity. As a traveler, embracing lagom means finding a balanced pace, savoring fika, relaxing by the water, and appreciating minimalist beauty. Stockholm reminds us that joy is found in moderation, not excess. It's a lesson in contentment and balance. Here, a fulfilling life is about just enough. Let Stockholm's gentle rhythm inspire your own journey. Stockholm is as beautiful in its values as in its scenery. Openness, equality, and respect create a city where everyone feels welcome. Tradition and modernity dance together, offering a new perspective on what's possible. Stockholm invites you to experience honest conversations, balance, and love in all forms. Paddle between islands, enjoy fika, or join the Pride celebration. Connection is everywhere. This city doesn't just show you new sights, it offers a new way of being. Now, it's your turn to write your Stockholm story. Wander with an open heart and mind. Let the city's warmth and inclusivity stay with you long after you leave. Thanks for joining Travel Partner. Subscribe for more journeys that inspire and connect.